Hello, dear friends. We have a new service. Now you can exchange cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency with a minimum commission. Today, we will show you how to transfer Solana to your USDT account. Go to the Bolt Change website. The link is in the video description. Here you can select the exchange option that suits you. We have many cryptocurrency exchange options. You can transfer Bitcoin to PayPal, Ethereum to Visa, USDT to Payoneer, and so on. Then press the exchange button. In the first sector, enter the USDT mail. In the second sector, enter the mail to contact you. Then click Continue, then check the data. Entered is correct. Agree to the terms of use and press Confirm button. Now send Solana to the generated Solana address to start the exchange to USDT account. After the first confirmation of the crypto transaction, the funds will be sent from Bolt Change to your account instantly. After sending the funds, click I have paid button. There is support on our website. Please contact us if something doesn't work. And remember one important thing, Bolt Change, the best exchange company. Thank you.